Alright, so I'm doing number 17 from chapter 9, and it states that the mean length of a work week for the population of workers was reported to be 39.2 hours. Suppose that we would like to take a current sample of workers to see whether the mean length of a work week has changed from the previously reported 39.2. So the null is going to be 39.2 because we just want to see if it's anywhere above or below. So the hypothesis would be not equal to 39.2. The next, part B, says suppose the current sample of 112 workers provided a sample mean of 38.5 hours. So the sample size is 112, the sample mean is 38.5, and then it says use a population standard deviation of 4.8. And then it asks for the p-value. In order to get the p-value, we need to know the standard error of x, which is 4.8 divided by the square root of 112, which equals 0.4536. And then we need to find the z-score. So we're going to take 38.5, which is the sample mean, minus 39.2, and divide that by our standard error of x, which is 0.4536, and that equals 1.54. So we're going to look up the z-score, and with that we find 0.4382, and then we need to subtract that from 0.5, and that comes out to 0.0618. And since this is two-tailed, since we want to know anything below or above, we need to multiply that by 2. And with that we get 0.1236. And then it says at an alpha of 0.05, can the null hypothesis be rejected? What is your conclusion? Since this is our p-value and it is less than or equal to 0.05, it's do not reject the null. The end.